Hi, what's up, welcome to Richard Insider. It's time to talk about Litecoin. It jumped 30%, then it went back down. Look at this. Look at 180 to $230 and it went back down again. So what's going on? So it's because of the news in Litecoin. And look at the global news wire. Walmart announces major partnership with Litecoin, and it turned out to be false. It turned out to be fake news. So look at it. Even Router withdraw their news. Look at this. Litecoin joined by Walmart host. Walmart says crypto payments announcement is fake, and Litecoin tumbles after spy. So let's look at it. Of course, Litecoin's gonna spy because of all these news announcing that Walmart will accept Litecoin payments. They are reliable. They are trustworthy, right? That's why people bought Litecoin a lot. And not only that, if you look at the Litecoin, look at the chat mark. They share the Globe News wire, but apparently, this is the false news that they deleted the tweet, and it's probably too late. So look at this. Globe Newswire, what's going on? Globe Newswire blames Walmart Litecoin fakery or fraudulent user account. So SEC does not really investigate it. They reached out to SEC, said it does not comment on the existence or non-existence of possible investigation. So it's, of course, whatever SEC said, if something they say, it's gonna impact the price of the security or stocks or cryptocurrency. So they never say anything, even if they are doing investigation, or even if they are not doing investigation. So one Globe Newswire became aware of this morning. They withdrew the press release and issued a notice of disregard. This has never happened before, and we have already put in place enhanced authentication steps to prevent isolated incidents from all concurrent. So we will work with appropriate authorities to request and facilitate a full investigation, including any criminal activity associated with this matter. But they should verify with Walmart before they put out the news. But you need to balance. They want to be the first, or they also want to be the right news. So I believe they should at least reach out to Walmart to verify, because when two parties involved, they can reach out to Litecoin foundations or they can reach out to Walmart. It's better to reach out to for both. So if you want to verify if a couple is married or not, you can ask the husband. You also need to ask the wife. If one party said, yeah, we are married, the other party said, no, we are not. So you need additional documents or evidence to support before you announce that these are the married couple. So you know what? Sometimes people make mistake. They just want to news the news, or they should have verified. Definitely they should have verified with Walmart or Litecoin, two parties before they put out the news, because this is a very, very big announcement. When Walmart is the biggest retailer, is basically announcing partnership with Litecoin. It's not something like. So Walmart was the subject. Walmart blindsided responded with the following statement. Walmart was the subject of fake news release issued Monday. Walmart announced a partnership with Litecoin. Walmart has no knowledge of the press release issued by Globe Newswire, and it is incorrect. Walmart has no relationship with Litecoin. So let's look at the CNBC also. Is that the only routers and Globe Newswire? No, a number of media organizations, including CNBC, sent headlines on the announcement. So when the news outlet issue the news report, everybody copy, because they don't want to miss out. That's how they make money. They get advertisement money. They don't want to miss out on it, so they did it without verification. So the first one who issued the news release needs to do really due diligence, and everybody wants to be the first news outlet to issue the news as well. So there's definitely gonna be the mistake. So SEC doesn't regulate cryptocurrency. they don't recognize it as a security, so they're not gonna investigate it. That's my opinion. And of course, even for the stocks, there are thousands or tens of thousands of companies out there. So anybody can issue fake news to pump their stock, and they just, if they want to dump the stock later. So that's very, very normal. So even the Elon Musk, when they say that Tesla gonna accept the Bitcoin, they, of course, Elon Musk and Tesla founders, they do not have an agreement. Partnership is just one-sided. So, but at least, always check with at least one side, which is, in this case, it's supposed to be Walmart. So Lauda already withdraw the news, which is good. Allows us slowly Walmart to accept Litecoin payments withdrawal, and that's good. Litecoin Foundation screw up. Lee says a Walmart snafu. Oh, I thought it was. Snafu, what does it mean? I thought it was a Japanese or Chinese, or maybe it is a brother of tofu. No, snafu is a confused or chaotic state, a mess. So we have the definition for snafu. So it's an informal, not American. So basically, hey, we screw up. We made a mistake. So we try our best to not to tweet fake news. At this time, we really screw up. Charlie Lee. So one of the employees already retweeted. After one of its employees retweeted what turned out to be a true announcement about partnership with Walmart. Of course, they are so excited to when Walmart announced it. So they did not. Looks like they did not reach out to Walmart before retweeting all this stuff. The parties involved are now seeking to determine how the events transpire. This morning I woke up and found that Walmart is accepting Litecoin, and I was like, wow, that's awesome, but it turned out to be fake. Charlie Lee said, Mr. Charlie Lee said about it. So, but Lee said Litecoin is used quite a bit for Walmart for payments, although it's not as popular as Bitcoin. He estimated potentially hundreds of thousands of merchants who support it, because roughly 3 billion worth of Litecoin is sent every day. Not all is for payment, but much of it that is for use for transaction. So over its lifespan in the last 10 years, more than 1 trillion worth of Litecoin has been sent over network. So it's popular, but it's not as popular as Bitcoin or Ethereum or even Cardano. So the Litecoin is mainly used for the payments and transaction. So Litecoin, joined by Walmart, hosts exposing extremely adversarial environment of crypto. It's not only crypto, even the penny stock is suffering all those fake news as well. So always verify. So it's really important to have education. You need to verify which is right, which is wrong. So always learn to study. Learn to study crypto before you put your money in it. So you can get free stocks and cryptocurrency down in the description.